Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to Kit 74 of Build the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from the film Gone in 60 Seconds by our good old friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you want to build this 1/8 scale model with me, head over to this link here. This will take you to the Fanhome website. There's also a clickable version below in the description, and you too can be building along with me this iconic car. So let's have a look, see what we've been up to so far in this session. We've done the battery in the boot floor. We've also done all of the fuel hoses. We've put the NOS bottle in as well. Fitted that all together, screwed it to the chassis section, and we've put in the rear bulkhead and side covers. So that's what the chassis is looking like now on our Mustangs. In this kit we've got the radiator grille mesh and honeycomb, we got the fan motor, and we got a couple of PS5 screws. Really simple little addition this today, folks. So we've got a little fan motor sat there. We've then got our mesh that goes over the radiator and a little packet of PS5 screws. So we'll get our scalpel of goodness out and we'll open them up like so. There you go, get that open. Pop them over there, and then any spares I'll put in my little screw box. Put my blade away. Stop me from cutting myself. Right, first thing we want to do is pick up our mesh, like so, and then orientate it. There's a little tab there, and a little cutout, and we just want to line them up like that. Okay, and then this motor is going to go right down in the middle. It's got a little notch in it, a little woodruff key. So that's going to go right down in there. And then to sandwich that together, we'll then put in our little screw. Like that. Hold that all in situ and then just literally spin it away. And feed that in place like that. That's going to pull that little motor in situ, and it'll just hold that mesh in place like so. So that is literally it for today, folks. Yeah, not a massive issue, nice easy one. And then obviously we're going to be adding to this over the next few issues, and then installing this on our chassis with the fan and everything looking all rather splendid. Okay, so that's this issue done. Don't forget, if you want to grab this, head over to the Fanhome website by following this link, or click the one in the description below. Also, whilst you're doing that, just click that little festa in the corner and subscribe to my channel, folks. It really does help me grow my channel, keeps the channel alive and the content coming, of which to get notified of future content, just ring the little bell there and select all. That will then let you know when all these videos are going up on the channel. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.